Meghalaya observed World Tuberculosis Day on Tuesday at the Usosothama Auditorium with the aim of raising awareness about the disease, reducing stigma associated with it and promotion of community participation in the fight against TB. Dr. Mrs. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh, Health and Family Welfare Minister, graced the event as the chief guest, lending her support to the fight against tuberculosis. Dr. Lyngdoh assured to dedicate ample time to the department and travel across the state to assess facilities and to ensuring the success of various health missions and initiatives. The event concluded with the distribution of prizes to the winners of the drawing competition and felicitation of TB champions and recognition of support to the Department of Information and Public Relations and the Shillong Press Club.
I am sure that if each of us put in all our sincerest efforts, there is no reason why we should not be able to achieve. The district doctors, so nice to meet you. So happy to see that you come to a stage to collect a reward. That reward is symbolic of the appreciation that not just the government of Meghalaya has of your work, but also the government of India has of your work. We can keep collecting these laurels